Welcome to Product Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest updates on technology and gadgets. Today, we are thrilled to bring you the Nokia X35G, the latest smartphone to hit the Indian market. The Nokia X35G is a highly anticipated smartphone that promises to deliver some fantastic features and specifications. It is the successor to the Nokia X30 and comes in two variants: 6GB RAM with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. The Nokia X35G boasts a sleek and modern design that is sure to catch your eye. The phone has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, making it perfect for gamers and movie lovers alike. The Nokia X35G comes with a quad camera setup that includes a 64 megapixels primary camera, a 16 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 5 megapixels macro camera, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. The phone also has a 20 megapixels front-facing camera that captures stunning selfies and facilitates crystal-clear video calls. The Nokia X35G is powered by the top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor, making it lightning fast and ideal for multitasking. It runs on Android 12 and features a 4500 mAh battery with fast charging support, ensuring that you never run out of juice in the middle of the day. The Nokia X35G is available for purchase online and in retail stores. The 6GB RAM variant is priced at 27 rupees, 999, while the 8GB RAM variant is priced at 29 rupees, 999. As an introductory offer, customers can get a discount of 2000 rupees on both variants. Pros of the Nokia X35G include its sleek and modern design, high-quality camera with a quad camera setup, fast and powerful processor, and large battery with fast charging support. Drawbacks include the lack of a headphone jack and wireless charging support. In conclusion, the Nokia X35G is a fantastic smartphone that offers excellent value for money. It boasts a sleek design, powerful processor, and high-quality camera setup, making it an ideal choice for tech-savvy individuals. While it does have a few drawbacks, such as the lack of a headphone jack and wireless charging support, its overall performance and features make it a great purchase. So, if you're looking for a new smartphone, the Nokia X35G is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Reviews for more updates on the latest gadgets and technology.